Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to WhereView. I am Victor from WhereView, and today in this video, I'll be teaching you, or I'll be showing you what is the best ghost mannequin tool for a fashion brand. Now, I know if you own a fashion brand or a clothing store, then you know how important it is for a ghost mannequin image of your dress so that your potential buyers or your customers will get a better understanding of what the dress would look like in a three-dimensional kind of way. And if you have done some research, you would know creating a ghost mannequin image previously would take a lot of time, and also you have to hire a professional, a graphic designer or stuff like that, or a photo shoot. You have to take a photo shoot of your dress by some professional photographers, and it would take a lot of time as well as your hard-earned money. So we'll be using AI, and we'll be creating that in just a matter of seconds, so which would look something like this. With the power of video editing, there should be a ghost mannequin image right now in the video. So to create that one for yourself, go to whereview.co. The link will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Go to this site, create your account, and then click on the Try It Now button. Now, once you click on the Try It Now button, you will be greeted with all the services that WhereView offers. It does offers you a lot of features such as AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video Pro, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, which we'll be using today, AI Pose Control, AI Consistent Models, and AI Model Swap. Don't worry, I'll be showing you all these features or all these services in action in my later videos. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also like this video, and also please comment down below what are your thoughts about our site. It is amazing. Just have a visit to our website, which is nothing but whereview.co. So for now, we'll click on AI Ghost Mannequin service, which is at the center. And once you click on it, let me just take myself a bit away. Once you click on it, you will have to upload the front view as well as the back view of your dress or of your garment. Now, if you want, you can also check, if you don't know what this means, you can click on see what works. It will give you what will work and what will not. So make sure you just read it out correctly. This is how you should upload the images of your dress inside WhereView or inside this platform. So I'll click on the choose file button, and I will select the front image of my dress. It's a really beautiful dress. We'll just click on the back view for the same dress as well. You can see we have the front as well as the back view, and below that you also have an option to prompt. You can use the power of AI to explain. It says tell the AI what's hard to see in the photo, and also that will help you to generate the image in a better way. For example, it says fabric, true color, fit, or details that aren't clear in the photo. If you want, you can just let the AI know about focusing on some areas from the image into the main 3D mannequin image that will be generated by the AI. So if you want, you can go ahead and prompt it out right here, but this is an optional one. But for you, if you're interested, you can just go ahead and try it out. But for me, I'll skip it for this video. Once uploading both of these images are done, we'll click on the next button right here. Next, we have to select the quality of the image that we want. For the best quality possible, choose between 2K and 4K. If you want the absolute best, then 4K is your friend. But if you use 4K, there will be 5 credits used. But for me right now, I'll choose 2K. HD is, I won't recommend you to use it, because I know you are trying to build a clothing brand and you need high quality images for your potential buyers, because they need the highest quality possible to check your dress and stuff like this. So I would suggest you to use 2K, or if you want, 4K will be the best option. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. Next comes aspect ratio. You can just click on it and then choose any aspect ratio that you want. If you want a vertical image or a horizontal one, But for me, I'll use match input image because the image that I have, I'm really happy with the aspect ratio of it. Once you are done selecting that, we'll click on the generate button. Now this will use the power of AI to create your ghost mannequin image, and it will take around like 1 minute or two. So in the meantime, while waiting for a minute or two, I want you to grab a drink, maybe a black coffee. That would just sound pretty nice. It will just open up your mind and also open up your ears and eyes. So I'll see you after a minute because I need to get my cup of coffee. Okay, right now both of the images are generated. The ghost mannequin image have been generated. As you can see, it looks like it is worn by a ghost. That's what ghost mannequin image is, and it looks pretty good with all the wrinkles and stuff. It just looks pretty nice in the dress. If you want, you can also flip it horizontally if you want, and you also have the back image as well, which looks really nicely done. It is so hard to believe, guys. Just a minute or two, this is done. Previously it would take a professional, it will take so much time and also money, but right now it's just done so beautifully. I'm really happy with it. If you want, you can also click on the try again button if you're not happy with your image, but most of the times this AI is really great. It just gets the job done. It is amazing. And if you want, you can also refine the images. There is a dedicated button for it, but if not, if you click on the download button here, you can just download the images. It's great. Yeah, it gets downloaded right here, and then if you want, you can also preview the image right here, which is something very great. And I again disappeared. I don't know, it's a really really bad or really unique problem that I'm facing. Well, that's pretty much it. This is how you create ghost mannequin images for your clothing brand and store. And I think we have worked so hard to bring up all these features and also make the whole process so easy for you to create better images for your clothing store and for your clothing brand. So I think and I believe WhereView has the best way or the best option to create 3D ghost mannequin images, and it's the easiest, hands down the easiest way to create ghost mannequin images. And if you have any doubts or if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment box down below. I would really love to answer all your queries. And if you have any video ideas, or if you want to know anything specific, please let me know in the comment box down below. Like I said, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Please like this video, as YouTube loves likes, and also we would appreciate your effort, and also I would know that you appreciate my effort as well in explaining all these videos and try to be a bit more friendlier, and I try not to be a bit cringe. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Victor from WhereView signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.